Office of Multicultural Student Affairs, also known as MSA, offers an array of services and programs that support and motivate ethnically diverse students in their development at the University of Miami. Every year, we create strategic goals to guide our work and better serve our students' needs. Our 2021 through 2022 goals were the following.
These goals were created in alignment with the Division of Student Affairs goals, which are the following.
Thanks to the generous support of the University of Miami and the Division of Student Affairs, MSA was able to expand our leadership team and focus on our assessment and evaluation efforts. This fall, we welcome Ms. Stephanie Nunez, who serves as Assistant Director of Programs, Assessment, and Evaluation in the office. We were blessed to recruit Ms. Taylor Castro as our newest Administrative Assistant. With a fully staffed leadership team, MSA has been able to support the needs of our student populations, boost student advocacy and engagement, and improve our operational efficiency and program evaluation efforts.
One of our primary efforts is to create an inclusive environment through intentional programming. We host programs all year round to showcase and celebrate the diverse and rich community. Our 2021-2022 exit survey revealed that 97% of students are satisfied with our cultural programming, and the top-rated programmings were the Students of Color Symposium, Culture Pop-Ups, Black Awareness Month, Enough, Canes Fiesta, and Man Cave. 3 of the stated are brand new initiatives spearheaded by our office and student leaders.
Our office has created numerous venues for students to develop their leadership skills and get involved with our office. In addition to the 20+ student organizations we advise, we intentionally provide opportunities to ensure students are growing in their areas of interest, many ranging in event planning, marketing, fundraising, public speaking, recruitment, social media management, amongst others. Here are some of the programs and initiatives you can get involved with.
We highly encourage our students to expand their knowledge and develop partnerships with their peers, staff, and faculty. To increase the unity within the UM community and expose our students to the resources available, we hosted more than 100 programs where we collaborated with student organizations and departments in and outside the Division of Student Affairs.
Since the inauguration of our Student DEI Facilitators Training, Champions for Change, we have successfully trained 2 cohorts of student leaders that will be leading DEI trainings and workshops to help us expand our training capacities. Through our DEI training menu, we were able to offer educational sessions on identity and impact, interrupting bias, allyship and cultural awareness, and social injustice. 100% of those who have participated in our trainings were satisfied with our content and curriculum. In the last 2 years alone, we have trained over 4,000 students, faculty, and staff, and hosted over 20 workshops and dialogues. Some of the top-rated skills that our participants have gained through our trainings are identifying and interrupting bias, understanding cultural awareness and humility, and active listening skills. We truly were able to reach so many people through our diversity and inclusion trainings.
We certainly value the thoughts and feedback of our students. In order to better serve our student population, we have implemented various tools to determine how we can improve our programming, services, and allocate departmental resources. Here are some of the highlights from our 2021-2022 end-of-year exit survey. Our data is a clear depiction that our programs are impactful, our space is welcoming, and our staff is inclusive. We take pride in creating a sense of belonging for our students and the way we abide by our mission and goals. While numbers are an important indicator of our progress, they only tell half the story. Here are some of the things our students have to say about our programs.
Our office has been able to positively impact the University of Miami community through various outlets, and this work would not be possible without the contributions of our student and professional team. I want to take a moment to celebrate the accomplishments and recognize the work that has been done throughout the past year. These are just a few of the great accomplishments from our student, staff, and programs put on through the office. Congratulations to our amazing team. We look forward to celebrating you in 2022 and 2023.
As we look forward to next year, Our team has identified 6 goals to better serve our students based on the feedback we received. As we continue to support you all, we invite you to join MSA's journey by staying connected through our social media, subscribing to our newsletter, and checking out our calendar of events. We look forward to seeing you this fall. And as always, go Canes!